so how about that competition, huh?
So we're making the world's best coffee. So first you gotta start with roasting. Put 120 grams of green coffee beans into our roaster for 10 minutes, 400 degrees. And we got about 104 grams of roasted beans. And we put some left over to storage and then lost a little bit of mass due to chaff and volatile gases. And then...
All right, the next step making the world's best coffee is gotta grind it. So we did 62 grams of grinding it to get 62 grams of coffee grounds, obviously. And then for water, we put 1,096 grams into our brew, which gave us 988 grams of brewed coffee, 157.8 grams of spent coffee, and 12.2 grams of evaporated water.
We did a Rwanda dark roast, and we ended up with a TDS value of 0.8%, which is what led to our PE being 12.75. When it comes to our roasting data, we decided to do 10 minutes because we tried 8 minutes and the flavor profile was terrible, but we didn't want to use too much energy, so we upped the time to 10 minutes, which fixed the flavor profile, but it didn't add too much energy usage, which is why it's a semi-dark roast. It's not really a full dark roast.
And then for brewing, we got an average or standard energy of 0.10 with heating up 1,996 grams of water.
So good.
As you can see, our coffee was absolutely delicious, but don't take our word for it. Let's hear from the judges. Yo, what's up, dude? Anyway, as you freaking see, Group 4 absolutely destroyed the competition. Fragrance rating, 4.5, lit. Acidity, 4.5, first place also. Flavor, 6.0. That's a tie for first. That's the only tie they got, but it was awesome. Body, 5.8, tie for first again. Aftertaste of 3.8 and a balance of 1.8 for first. 9.
So after seeing how the judges rated our cup of coffee, we saw that we suffered most in the aftertaste, and we thought going forward for our next brew, we could wait even longer to brew the actual coffee because our extraction time was a little too long and that affected our aftertaste. And as far as energy consumption, we can maybe look into doing a light roast. I know we use a dark roast for this one, but we can use light roast in our trials and then kind of work with that, as roasting would obviously take less energy. And then we could use a little less water, but that won't affect the overall amount of energy too much. Hey, yo, who do you know here?
I don't know anyone. Can I just pay you a cover?
Nah, do you know 3 types of coffee?
Oh, shoot. Rwanda, Papua New Guinea, and Colombia.
All right.
So I'm
Nah, bro, you thought that was gonna work?
Oh, come on, man.
We need something else.
Oh, man. What if I give you a sample of the world's best coffee that we just made in my designer coffee class? The judges rated it the best in the whole class.
I think we can make something work.
Okay, bet. You want back, bro? You want to give it a try?
This fire.
I know.
This way.
I know.